Today we're going to do a little unboxing. Hey y'all, welcome back to Dots and Beyond. My name is Beth and today is day 11 of my Planmas video series. Now I did not intend to do an unboxing of Archer and Olive's December subscription box. I was actually going to do a Stationery Pal unboxing, but my Stationery Pal came to my town, left my town, came back to my town, and now is stuck in an in-transit situation that I don't understand. And so we have had to switch gears just a little bit, and I have my SubBox, which I actually haven't opened. All I have done is taken the plastic wrapping off. Now y'all, if you need a little bit of information about the Archer and Olive subscription box, it does come quarterly. It is $75 US plus shipping, and I understand that some of the international folks that is just completely out of the realm of possibility for you right now is the post-COVID world that we live in. It comes quarterly on the 1st of March, June, September, and December, and this box has a retail value of $195 as opposed to the $75 that you pay for the subscription. I've seen some videos. I know most of the things that are in here. I haven't looked at them super up close. So we're going to go ahead and open this. First of all, let's talk about the size. It's massive. So this is a 12-inch ruler. So the box is 14 inches approximately by 9 inches. So it is super huge. I don't normally go for pink, but I did do this pink Christmas theme in my journal. So it's right on brand for me right now. And the theme for this box is Cozy Cafe. And I do love a snowflake. I love the take of taking the floral designs that Archer and Olive is so known for and turning that into a snowflake pattern for winter. I just think it's adorable. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what all we have. Okay, so here we are, and I am probably going to move this box out of the way here in just a second, but let's just look. Initially, we know we have a Cozy Cafe mug. I think that's one of the things that most people were pretty excited about. We have a decorative storage tin. We can see some washi tape. We can see some gel pens, mechanical pencils. I'm excited to try those as well. Stationery scissors. The stationery scissors probably all the reason that I didn't pause this box. Like, this is the one thing that kept me from unpausing. I mean, I like the rest of it too, but this is the one thing that I was thinking to myself recently. I need a really good pair of stationery scissors, and right about that time the sneak peek started coming out. There's also a couple of journals here in the bottom, but let me move this out of the way so that we can look at these things one at a time. Okay, so small items first. Let's just go ahead and do this. We're going to start with the collaging set and see what's in here. And again, I just really love this pattern. I don't know if there's anything specific that I would ever use it for, but this is one of those situations where you keep the packaging too, right? Because it's so beautiful, you just hang on to it. And in here we have these gorgeous vellum sheets. So we have a neutral color with the floral snowflake, a white, a pink, and a blue. And then we always have some stickers, and here is our Cozy Cafe vibe with their little 3-story cafe and our gorgeous coffees. Yeah, I might have to do a coffee theme again. You know, I've done a coffee theme for my son Kenny. I've not done a coffee theme for myself though. This might have to make its way into something this year. What? I don't quite know yet. And washi tapes. And of course everything coordinates. So we've got coordinating washi tapes. Here we have that same floral pattern. Then we have one that has our Cozy Cafe and some coffees and the cafe sign. And then 2 others that are very, very neutral. Always great to have a neutral in this kind of a pattern. And then these are super cute, and I think I might actually have a setup where I can use this coming up very soon. So we'll see if I use that, not for a winter setup, but for something else. And then we have cute mechanical pencils. So I have talked on my channel previously about mechanical pencils. Until I started bullet journaling, I didn't even keep a pencil in the house. I don't like pencils. It's just one of those things. But we do need to sketch things out. I use the Tool mechanical pencil 0.07. I picked these up from an Office Depot when I first started bullet journaling. They're weighty in the hand. They don't feel cheap. I just replaced them with regular 0.07 pencil lead, and they work great for me. But it's always fun to have a cute mechanical pencil, and these are just adorable. They do have, again, that floral snowflake snowflake pattern on them, and I will probably get some great use out of these. Not gonna lie about that. Sometimes I do go to Barnes & Noble or another cafe or something and work on my journals, and it would always be helpful to actually have a cute pencil in my hand. All right, we are gonna look at these gel pens. Now, I have used the gel pens that came in the I can't get that open. Hang on, y'all. Okay, here are the gel pens. I have used the gel pens that came in last year's December sub box quite a lot. I didn't use them in the beginning. Then I started finding places where I could plug them in. I love these. This color palette is gorgeous. We are gonna look at these really quickly and just see. So there is sort of the brown taupey color. I don't know what all that is. Pink. I would have loved to have had this pen when I did my December setup. I did not have this pen when I did my December setup, but it is perfect. Blue. That's a gorgeous color. The darker pink, again, would have loved to have had both of those in that setup. And then those are gorgeous, y'all. That is just a really beautiful set of gel pens. I wasn't sure how I was going to feel about having these because it took me a while to start using the set from last December. Those are just exquisite, and the ink writes beautifully. So those are a great thing to have. I ripped the box getting these out. It's just so I don't have the box anymore. They were really stuck in there. So. And then, like I said, the one thing that I wanted to keep this box for, and oh, y'all, look, this is one of those magnetic boxes. So here we go to help with the tiny details. And we have these gorgeous scissors. They do have the Archer and Olive logo on them right there. You're probably going to see these a lot. I think show up in videos, although I am doing things a lot simpler. I don't know how many collage sort of things that I will do in my personal bullet journal. They'll probably pop up and you'll see them in my reading journal. That's where they're going to get seen. Those are just the cutest, and I'm super excited to have those. I'm probably going to pop this foam out and use this box for something else. What? I don't know, but I love these magnetic boxes. They're just the best thing ever. All right, let's move on to the bigger things. This is a decorative pen storage tin. I actually hoped, because there was a mug, that tea actually came in this as well, but this does not have any tea in it. That doesn't mean it's not super useful. Here you go. It does say positivity, and it has the little cafe on it, Archer and Olive, and it is just an empty tin. I do not have a great place to store my Archer and Olive gel pens, and I bet you this is where they end up. So this is super cute. I did hope it had tea in it. It didn't have tea in it. That's fine. It's all good. And speaking of tea, here is the Cozy Cafe mug. And I know Bonnie mentioned that she was wary about doing a mug because she just didn't want to have a mug that people were gonna send to the Goodwill type of thing here in a month or two, use it for a little bit and then get rid of it. It came beautifully packaged in order to keep it safe in transit. Actually, another great box. And here is this gorgeous, love this embossed floral snowflake pattern, Archer and Olive logo on the bottom, and then of course we have Bonnie's signature doodles from Archer and Olive on the inside of the mug. So it is a single one. If you're not a mug person, I can guarantee you that on the buy, sell, trade sites for Archer and Olive, there are people trying to get a full set of these. Hands down. I haven't even looked yet, but I can tell you that there are people that are trying to find a set of 6 or a set of 8 or even just 4. That's the great thing about Archer and Olive and our tastes and everybody being so different who is also a fan of Archer and Olive and gets the sub box. I never use everything that's in a sub box. There's always something that doesn't work for me. I hang on to them for a little longer than I really should. I really should immediately put them out there and go, yeah, I know I'm not going to use this, but there are always people who will buy, or if you just want to be, Santa Claus for somebody this year and give them something that they are looking for, check out the buy, sell, trade site for Archer and Olive on Facebook, and you can get rid of anything in the box that you may not use or know you may not use, or it's not quite your taste. I'm probably going to keep this though, because I have a mug problem in my house and I have a snowflake problem, so I love this. This is beautiful. Here is the A5 journal for this. box, and it is adorable. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I'm not a big fan of the printed covers because I just never quite know what I'm going to use them for. I also thought this might have been another one of the undated planners, but it is not. This is a regular A5 with the dot grid spacing, just a normal white journal. I think this will probably, I mean, look at these vibes. When I fill up my therapy journal, this will probably be my next therapy journal. I mean, I might just tuck it away right now for that purpose because it just screams this needs to be a self-care journal, therapy journal. I don't know, I just love this mellow vibe of the coffee shop and the florals, and I will probably keep this. When I saw it in sneak peeks, I thought maybe I would unhaul it and sell it to somebody else, but no, the more I've been thinking about it and now that I've got it in my hands, definitely probably going to keep this one. So here we go. Like I said, I do know that this one is lined. I love the packaging now. And it is this gorgeous color, just absolutely gorgeous gray color with our little coffee shop. And there we go. Again, these are 8 inches by 8 inches square. And this one, instead of having the dot grid, has the lined pages. And I have used lined page journals. I loved the very large A4 compass journal, the red one that came. In fact, I bought a second one of those, and long formed journals and those for a little while. This could be a good companion to this one in terms of keeping a whole therapy system. Like, you could set this journal up as your therapy journal where you make immediate notes from your sessions and that sort of a thing, and also keep track of your sessions. But this one could be where you unpack all of those things that you need to unpack, and they would work great together as a set or a pair for that specific journaling purpose. Yeah, I might do that. You're welcome to take that idea as well. Let me know though in the comments below if you had a square lined journal with a cute little coffee shop on the front of it. What would you use this for? I'm very, very interested. So drop me a coffee emoji down in the comments below. Let me know what you would use this journal for. And that is the December 1st quarterly subscription box from Archer and Olive. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I know it was a little bit all over the place. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one.